Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Merry Christmas everyone! As most of you will be enjoying a lovely dinner tonight, tomorrow is another day. It's Boxing Day, also known as Mad Day, Crazy Day, or Leftover Day. After a frenzy of shopping, the perfect dish to make is this one. Garlic and white wine steamed clams. Within 15 minutes, you can enjoy this fabulous well-seasoned meal. It's one of those handy, flavorful recipes that doesn't require too much effort. So let's get cooking. In a large pot over medium heat, we'll add a butter as well as olive oil. When it starts shimmering, we'll add finely diced shallots and red peppers. We'll quickly saute these two for 1 minute before adding pressed or chopped garlic, dried tarragon, and red pepper flakes for a little kick. Same thing, we'll saute all the ingredients for just 1 minute. To this, we'll pour in dry white wine and bring the mixture to a simmer. When it gets there, we'll add our cleaned and scrubbed clams, stir very well, cover, and steam them for 5 to 7 minutes or until fully opened, like they are here. We'll pour in freshly squeezed lemon juice and add some fresh chopped parsley. We'll stir one more time before serving them in warm bowls along with crusty bread or even garlic bread. If there are some that didn't open, we'll simply discard them. And my friends, these are our garlic and white wine steamed clams. Absolutely delicious! This quick and easy one-pot dish is perfect as an appetizer or a main course. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!